Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get Legend of Neverland modded version with unlimited resources for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the guide, and I'm going to show you exactly how to download this. So just go to hexmods.com. This site has tons of mods for apps and games, and find Legend of Neverland. Go ahead and press on it, and then we're just going to go ahead and press the down button, and we got unlimited resources, bro. So let's just wait for it to download here. Now, before it downloads, there is one more step. It's a version. So what we have to do is download 2 apps, complete the instructions, so they're 100% free and from the official app store. So let's just wait for it to download here, as you can see. Alright, so it's going to load up. Yeah, basically, you see this thing, Legend of Neverland mod installer. We got to install 2 of these apps. So they got TikTok, where you got to run it for 30 seconds. Family Island, you have to reach level 10. Dice Dreams, you got to reach board level 6. So you just press on the app you want to do, press tap to install, and it will redirect you straight to the App Store. And then you just got to download the app and run it. So I did Family Island. We have to reach level 10. Pretty straightforward, guys. And once you do that, you will get your Legend of Neverland hack, guys. It is so crazy. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but if you enjoy this game, you want to take action right now while the Legend of Neverland hack is still available, guys. This is super crazy and it fully works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but be sure to subscribe to the channel. Wild times. Legend of Neverland is not a game that's generally associated with being hackable, but it is. I have unlimited everything. Ooh. So yeah, try it out for yourself. This is super crazy and it fully works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but if this tutorial works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. Tell all your friends about it, because this is sick, guys. It's like updated and everything. I have not been banned from the game for doing this. I'm safe. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, and peace out, bro.